Guys, this is a game changer, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we are talking about the most hyped thing in the wig streets. So yes, today I have joined the craze and I have a headband video for you guys. This is a human hair water wave unit from Unice Hair. If you want to know why I'm smiling and how I feel about this one, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this wig was sent to me by Unice Hair. I'm so excited about this, guys. I mean, headband wigs are, you know, they floating all over the place right now, but I've tried this wig on and I am legit in love, okay? I'm not too sure if I'm ever gonna lay down the lace. Let's just be clear. Okay, maybe I will, but yeah, so this wig did come with, they sent a headband in the box and a wig cap, okay? So this is the wig. I already went ahead and shampooed this wig. It's a human hair unit. So this is the human hair water wave unit. This is 150% density and it's 16 inches. Like I said, I shampooed this again twice. Honestly guys, when I shampooed this wig, this is the second time that I shampooed it because I wore it. I wanted to see for real, like if I really did like it before telling y'all how I felt about it. And the curls like came right back. The hair still feels soft. It feels good. So I went ahead also and I prepped my hair in advance. If you see, I kind of slicked it back and did all of that. The way I did that is I used my edge booster, and on top of that I used this Got2b glue gel. Okay, so I just slicked my edges with the edge booster and then I used the Got2b ultra gel just to kind of secure it, and my edge has been slicked for like 2 days. So this is what the wig is looking like. You have this headband right here in the front, just in case you're not familiar with it. You get this comb to kind of secure your unit. It has this Velcro in the back here, kind of secure it, and you also get this comb back here, okay? So this is a ventilated cap. Yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. So you just put it on your head. It's no rocket science to it. It's nothing special. It's legit just putting it on your head. So I'm just securing that Velcro in the back and adjusting this part right here. Okay, so if you want, you can wear this headband up to your hairline like this if you don't have edges, but because I do want to kind of get that like natural look going on, yeah, so that's pretty much that. Okay, so I wore this hair already and I know how I feel about it. This hair is really soft. It looks good. My issue with this hair is it's a little straight right here, as you guys are probably noticing, but it does look natural. Now let's make it look a little bit funky, okay? So I did purchase some extra headbands, and at first guys I felt like getting extra headbands just kind of like, what's the point, you know? It comes with a headband, but this really does make it look different. Like, look what's about to happen now. Look at that. Look how cute that is all of a sudden, just like that. That's it. Now I like these thicker ones because I feel like you can actually, ooh, that's cute too. And I'll leave a link to all these headbands below, but I like these thicker ones because I feel like you can put the wig up and make it look like a ponytail. So watch what's about to happen. So with this one, because it's kind of thinner, it's kind of on the thinner side. I mean, it's super cute, don't get me wrong, but it is a little thinner to me. I told y'all I can't see. So I'm just putting a little bit of mousse in here. But look, I'm just using my Lotta body mousse, nothing special. I left some down here on the side like that. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Guys, this is a game changer, okay? Y'all see how easy I'm doing this, how quick, how simple this is being done. In under 5 minutes, you can have a hairstyle. This is super cute. All right, so I had to go put a different headband on. This bag of headbands is the shiznick, okay? I'll leave a link below. But I also got these other ones. I'll leave a link to all the headbands. But it's so convenient, okay? I just been fluffing out this hair. I love how soft this hair is. If you get a headband unit that is a little thinner, just kind of fluff it out a little bit. You know, make the headband wig work for you. Otherwise, she's super cute, super natural, super soft, and simple, easy. Get out the house. I don't have any time vibes, okay? This one too, I was trying to play with it and see if I could kind of put her up into a little style here. Guys, I'm just being honest, this one is a little thinner, so as far as putting her up, the ponytail might be a little scarce. But way you can just kind of fix that for these like real thin units, you know, this is scarce, okay? But all you do is just kind of fluff it out like this and wrap it around, wrap some hair from the back around. And look how it looks full. They don't have to know it's thin. It's all about the illusion. Putting some bobby pins in there. And you know what? What you could do is take some of this hair from the back, push it through the headband to kind of give that effect right there. And look how pretty that is. Look at that. Like, simple, easy style. So definitely this is an affordable human hair water wave option for your headbands. I do like this unit. I don't have any issues with it. I do think it's slightly thin, but I think with fluffing it out and kind of making it look a little bit more fuller, which kind of will happen over time as you wear it, it will get a little bigger, so maybe that's why they made it a little thinner. But she's cute. She works. I like the fact that I can wet her and she just kind of, look, she come right back. She comes right back. Okay? I do also feel that if you are going to pull it up, it's better kind of to have a thicker headband, because these right here, these are just thinner, so it doesn't cover up the full back, you know, so with pulling it up. So if you're going to pull them up, make sure you have a thicker headband. But girl, it works. You don't have to pull it up. But this is just some style options I was trying to give y'all. If you're not able to leave any hair out, you can always just pull it forward more and you can still get that effect of the headband units. So do whichever way you like that's more comfortable for you. And that pretty much sums up this video. I'm just gonna put her back. I think it looks a little bit more natural like that, but I do understand everybody can't do that, so I get it. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this headband craze. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.